Welcome to the video installation guide for Cretus Ecomagnetic. This video will focus on the application of the magnetic top coat, the Ecomagnetic tabs, and how they work together for seamless flooring finish installation. Cretus Ecomagnetic is a revolutionary product. Unlike traditional flooring options that require messy, unforgiving glue or complicated interlocking pieces, the system uses the magnetic force of attraction to deliver identical aesthetic and structural results that are easy to maintain, replace, and repair. Before we go any further, let's look at a basic overview of the system and what exactly it is. Ecomagnetic is a three-component floor coating mixed and applied as a top coat over a flooring substrate. Once it is dried, you will use Cretus Ecomagnetic square tabs which adhere to the bottom surface of your flooring finish and magnetically to the coating. Common examples are tile, carpet, or wood. Beginning with the actual Cretus Ecomagnetic coating, set up a mixing station with all the products and tools you will need for the job. For more information on mixing stations, follow this link. Pour 1/2 gallon of Part A into a clean 5-gallon bucket. Add 1/2 gallon of Part B. Using a mixing drill and a paddle, blend the material for 30 seconds. Continue mixing and begin to slowly add 18 pounds of Part C. Mix for about 40 seconds or until texture and color are uniform. Pour material in lines across the substrate. Distribute evenly with an 8 to 12 mil squeegee by pulling it through the material. Follow behind and cross-roll to eliminate roller lines. Apply light pressure when rolling the material so that the coating is uniform across the entire substrate. The coverage rate is 200 square feet per gallon. Allow the coating to dry overnight, protected from any direct sunlight, wind, or weather. Once the coating is dry, you will begin to install your chosen floor material and magnet tab anchors. This is an example of the system when installing laminate floor tiles. We recommend using installers with specific experience in flooring to ensure an efficient, clean, and accurate fit. The crew will proceed with the installation as they would any traditional glue, mortar, or self-adhesive floor. Measure the room and the dimensions of the tiles. Study the desired pattern and calculate where seams will lie. Snap chalk lines to find an intersection off the middle of the room and proceed to dry fit the tiles as you would if installing with glue. For this pattern, we will start with an intersection of 4 square tiles, working from the middle out to the walls. Instead of glue, you will peel Cretus square tabs from a roll. These will have one side that is magnetized and one side that is no residue, re-stickable adherent. With the tiles in place, apply downward pressure. Lift the intersecting corners and place the tab, magnetic side down, into a position that will allow each tile to fall over 1/4 of the tab. Secure it in place and repeat down the line. Make sure the seams are tight, corners are square, and there are no gaps, buckling, or floating. Wherever 4 corners meet, they will share one tab. 2 corners can also share one tab, and even a solo corner will occupy an entire tab. There is no reason to cut, fold, or alter the magnet tabs in any way. Secure your entire floor using as many magnet tabs as necessary. Molding can be added to hide any small gaps that may occur at wall terminations. That's it. It's as easy as that. Your floor is now ready to use and is fully functioning. To repair, replace, or rearrange your tiles, use a blade to lift one corner of the desired tile and simply peel it from its position on the floor. Replace it with a clean, undamaged, or different pattern tile of your choosing. This flexibility, along with its user-friendliness, is what draws customers to the Cretus Ecomagnetic system, delivering a strong, attention-grabbing, and economical floor that will serve your family, school, or small business for years to come. Thank you for your attention to this video, for choosing Cretus Ecomagnetic, and all of our thoughtfully designed concrete coatings.